YouTube has been always a side of the internet where young content creators get the ultimate income. Accumulating a nice approach to YouTube's algorithm turned some into self-made millionaires in short periods of time. MrBeast is a YouTuber with a great understanding of the sector, with his content dominating YouTube since 2017. Today we're going to give you a brief look on who's MrBeast, his business strategies, investments, and lifestyle. Let's get to it. Born in May 1998, Jimmy Donaldson aka MrBeast began posting videos to YouTube at age 13 in the early 2012 under the alias MrBeast6000. His early content ranged from videos documenting the playthrough of Minecraft and Call of Duty Black Ops 2 with a commentary, to videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers. Well, now it's our turn to estimate his wealth. Taking a close look at his channel, he's hitting around 600 million views a month. He mentioned in a tweet that he's spending a monthly 600k just on rent and employees. That's without money giveaways. By the end of June 2020, he mentioned in a tweet that he spent over $10 million on content in the first 6 months. Looking at his channel stats, he's averaging 350 million views a month with an estimated CPM range of $3. MrBeast is estimated to earn a monthly $1.4 million, an estimated monthly 800k through sponsorship and merchandise. MrBeast videos typically feature attention-grabbing stunts. You could see him donating thousands of dollars, houses, supercars like Lamborghinis and other luxurious items, with many of his videos being sponsored by various companies like Honey and Quid. In fact, his expensive YouTube videos are mostly funded and sponsored by the coupon company Honey. In January 2017, MrBeast published an almost day-long video of himself counting to 1,000. It took him 40 hours to hit the 100,000. Some parts had to speed up to keep it under 24 hours. The beast tried to break glass using 100 megaphones, watched paint dry for an hour, failed to stay underwater for 24 hours, and unsuccessfully attempted to spin a fidget spinner for a day. In March 2019, he organized and filmed a real-life battle royale in Los Angeles with a prize of $200,000. On October 2019, MrBeast and former NASA engineer and YouTuber Mark Rober organized a collaborative fundraising challenge event on YouTube called Team Trees. The organization would plant one tree for each dollar raised. On December 19 of the same year, the 20 million goal was surpassed. By May 2020, the project reached over $22 million. Large donations were received from Elon Musk and YouTube CEO Suzanne Wojcicki. MrBeast is currently having 53.8 million subscribers on YouTube. Aside from his main channel, he's got several other YouTube channels, including MrBeast Shorts and MrBeast Gaming, the latter reaching over 10 million subscribers in less than 1 year. He was also ranked in the top 10 highest paid YouTubers of 2020. Jimmy is quite a decent individual. He could have the most fanciest cars and real estates, but still the side of philanthropy in his persona takes over his actions, which inspires the outgrowing numbers of influencers and content creators around the globe. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications for more interesting stories and facts. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.